Looking for the best 3D printer in 2026? With so many options on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming, especially when every brand promises faster speeds, better quality, and smarter features. But don't worry, in this video, we've done the research for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, ranked from number 1 to number 5, based on performance, reliability, features, and overall value. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a professional looking for a high-performance machine, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to stick around until the end because the number 1 printer truly stands out from the competition. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Creality K1C. We have the Creality K1C, and this is easily one of the most powerful and versatile 3D printers available right now. Let's start with performance. This printer offers an incredible 600 millimeters per second printing speed, which means you can complete projects in a fraction of the time compared to traditional printers. But speed isn't everything, and thankfully, the K1C doesn't compromise on quality. Thanks to its advanced motion system and stable frame, you still get clean, precise prints even at high speeds. Now let's talk about materials. One of the standout features here is the 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle, which allows you to print with advanced materials like carbon fiber, PETG, ABS, and more. That's a huge advantage if you're working on functional parts or professional-grade projects. It also comes with auto-leveling, so you don't have to worry about manual bed adjustments, and a clog-resistant direct extruder, which keeps your prints running smoothly. Pros: extremely fast and efficient, supports advanced materials, strong and reliable build quality. If you want the best combination of speed, power, and versatility, the Creality K1C is the clear winner in 2026. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro. Is the FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro a premium 3D printer that focuses on precision, quiet operation, and user experience? Just like the K1C, this printer also supports 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, but what really makes it stand out is how refined and smooth the overall experience feels. One of the biggest highlights is its ultra-quiet operation, running at under 50 decibels. That means you can comfortably use it at home or in an office without constant noise in the background. It also features full auto calibration, which takes the guesswork out of setup. Plus, you get multiple nozzle sizes, allowing you to switch between detailed prints and faster, larger prints easily. Another great addition is the built-in camera, which lets you monitor your prints remotely, a super useful feature if you're working on long projects. Pros: very quiet operation, excellent precision and consistency, built-in monitoring camera. This is a fantastic choice for professionals or serious hobbyists who want a smooth, quiet, and high-quality printing experience. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor. We have the FLASHFORGE AD5X, and this one is perfect for creators who want to bring more color and creativity into their prints. The standout feature here is multicolor printing, which allows you to create more visually detailed and complex designs without needing to manually swap filaments. Performance-wise, it still delivers 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, along with a 300 degrees Celsius direct extruder, making it capable of handling a wide range of materials. This combination of speed, color flexibility, and precision is a great option for designers, artists, and content creators. However, it's worth noting that multicolor printing can require a bit of setup and calibration, especially if you're new to it. Pros: multicolor printing support, high speed and high temperature capability, great for creative projects. If creativity and visual detail are important to you, the AD5X is one of the best choices out there. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. We have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a well-balanced 3D printer that offers great performance at a more reasonable price point. This printer uses a Core XY structure, which helps achieve faster and more stable printing, up to 600 millimeters per second. It also comes with fully automatic bed leveling, so setup is quick and hassle-free. One unique feature is the detachable nozzle system, which makes maintenance much easier compared to traditional printers. If something goes wrong, you can quickly swap out the nozzle instead of dealing with complicated repairs. The 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder allows for a decent range of materials, though not as extensive as higher-end models. Pros: fast and stable printing, easy maintenance, solid build quality. This is a great mid-range option for users who want speed and reliability without spending too much. Number 5. Creality Ender 3V5 SE. Finally, we have the Creality Ender 3V5 SE, one of the best entry-level 3D printers in 2026. This printer is perfect for beginners who want something affordable but still capable. It offers a 250 millimeters per second printing speed, which is slower than the others on this list, but still quite good for everyday use. You also get Cron Touch auto leveling, which simplifies setup, and a Sprite direct extruder, which improves filament feeding and overall reliability. Plus, the dual Z-axis system helps maintain stability during printing. Pros: budget-friendly, easy to use, reliable for beginners. If you're just starting out, this is one of the safest and most affordable choices you can make. So, that was our list of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026, ranked from number 1 to number 5. Each of these printers has their own strengths, so the best choice really depends on your needs and budget. If you want the best overall performance, go with the Creality K1C. If you prefer quiet operation, the AD5M Pro is a great pick. And if you're just starting out, the Ender 3V5 SE won't disappoint. Check out the links in the description to find the best deals on all these printers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.